everyone, and welcome to my kitchen renovation reveal. I'm so excited to share with you my new kitchen. I know it's been a long haul. There's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to get to this point. We're finally finished, and I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so we're just about to start ripping up the tile. Travis also started taking out some of the cabinetry here. We're gonna have to cut this part out to make way for the new space. Also, it's like hella Dexter here. Okay, bye-bye gross tile. Talk to you never. Operation Tile Removal. We did it. Taking up tile is no joke. Name something more messy. Oh wait. We just got our tile delivery, so we're gonna have some tile install happening tomorrow. Say goodbye. All this concrete. So it's a little gloomy here today in Halifax, but our tiles are in. We are so excited. We picked a grout that was super close to the tile color. These ones over here are still drying. They were just done this morning. We just got our cabinets dropped off. This is our island. I'm obsessed with the color. This is our big pantry. And then our uppers are out here. Things are starting to take shape. And we are so pumped. The appliances in, well, except for the dishwasher, of course, because you have to hook up the sink. And the plumbing and all of that. Stove is in, microwave, our fridge. So we did go with KitchenAid appliances because we read so many great reviews online about them. And they're so pretty. We got such a good deal from Home Depot with Black Friday. But don't they look like $1 million? Well, today we are getting our countertops installed. So definitely going to be a big change happening today. And then once we get the countertop installed, we measure for the backsplash. So we're doing one big piece. So it's coming together. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. It's exactly like I imagined, exactly what I wanted, and I'm so excited to finally be able to use this space and really get back to cooking. Kind of lost my mojo during renovations. So first things first, I want to show you these beautiful cabinets. So we did get our cabinetry and installation from Mother Hubbard's, which is a local company. We love how they turned out. We love the materials. The hardware is also from them. They installed everything. It definitely was a process to plan everything because our space is so angular. You'll see like things drop down in weird ways. You know, just those little things that we really needed someone to customize our kitchen for us because it wasn't going to be a square or a rectangle like most people's kitchens are. So kudos to the kitchen planners at Mother Hubbard's because they definitely worked really hard to make sure that we maximized every square inch of our space You'll also notice that our cabinetry goes right to the ceiling. We really wanted to achieve this so that everything looked really seamless. We didn't have any clutter. We found like the things that used to be up there, like on the top of the cabinetry, would be like super dusty and dirty, and also just like go there to die. Like we would never, we wouldn't know what was up there. So yeah, so we definitely like this look a lot better. Okay, what else do I need to show you? Oh, I also need to tell you that our drawers are slow close, which is amazing. So they don't bang. Same with our cupboards. They're really quiet. Amazing. Love. And I will say that the price point for the Mother Hubbard's cabinetry was really, really reasonable. So definitely check them out. Next up, I want to chat with you about my faucet. I'm obsessed. If there ever could be a sexy faucet, this is it. Never thought that I would be saying that in my life, but yet here we are. This is your 30s. So this faucet is from American Standard, and it's a new product for them. It is stunning. I love the handle. It's so sleek. We have a couple of options with streaming. I love that the handle drops down. Makes it really easy for cleaning, you know, like those big pots or wiping out your sink. Huge fan. And speaking of our sink, it is also from American Standard. But what I love about this sink is the corners. I love how square they are. It just looks so modern, so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I love the grates too. I just love that like industrial feel. And while we're here, we might as well chat about the countertops and backsplash, which are from Livingstone, which are a local company here. And I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. I honestly think it makes the space. It's so beautiful, so timeless. I love it. This is exactly what I envisioned for this renovation when we first started planning. I didn't realize that it was as achievable because I wasn't aware that there were so many great quartz products that actually looked like marble, and they're more durable, which is amazing. I'm not sure if you guys know, but marble is definitely a little bit more finicky, and you have to be really careful with the kinds of things that you put on your countertops, whether you're cooking. It can easily stain, which is just like not for me. I'm so clumsy. So the quartz is definitely a great option if you like marble, but your lifestyle is just not really conducive to that. So we did opt for the quartz countertop as well as the backsplash. When I mentioned to my friends that I wanted to do like one big piece for my backsplash, I don't think that they understood what I was trying to say. Because I got some funny looks for sure, but I was like, guys, just trust me, it's gonna work out. I had a vision, and I'm so happy with the results. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted it to look like one giant piece, and it definitely does. There are some sneaky little seams along the side, and the folks from Livingstone really worked hard to make sure that it was really seamless, no pun intended, and then we achieved that look. I especially love this area over here. I just think it's so impactful, but also so clean. I definitely will not get tired of this for a really long time to come. So classic. But yeah, loving the quartz. You'll see that it has like really pretty veining. Looks like marble. You would never know unless you like worked in the business. But yeah, couldn't be happier with how this turned out. And next up we have our outlets from Legrand. So you might remember these from my bathroom renovation. So this time we opted for a gold so that it matches the hardware on our cabinetry. So beautiful. I mean, if you have to have outlets, this is the way to go. These plates are interchangeable, so if you want to change the color at any time, you can update that, and then this just stays the same. We did get some light switches from them as well, but we're just waiting for some plates to come in, so I will update you on that when they come in. But how beautiful, right? Stunning. I'm obsessed. Well, this concludes my kitchen tour. Thank you so much for following along through the whole process on Instagram. Y'all have been so supportive and so motivating. I really couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for watching.